so much, Team Malaya. Once again, this is South Baguio Challenge Second Tournament King Challenge, the second leg of the trilogy.
Kuha lang ng kuha.
Medal ladies, medal ladies down there. Please get your medals here, Sir Aryan. Sa kapanda, medals na.